Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use this one really great tool to make all kinds of infographics, presentations, ebooks, Pinterest pins, Instagram posts, everything you can do for free on this site. And no, it's not Canva either. Actually, I think it's a little bit better than Canva, more detailed. And then how you can market these to make an unlimited amount of money online right from the comfort of your home, and it should be able to be done all over the world for free. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. First of all, here we're going to come over here, and this is my YouTube channel. My name is Kevin Lehner with Freedom Motivator channel here that you see. And if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before and still have not yet subscribed to my channel, well, reach down there right now while we're thinking about it and talking about it. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos that I upload that show you how to make money online. Okay, alrighty guys, let's go ahead and just get started right in on this video here. We're going to come over here to this site right here. It's called Visme.co. You see it up here in the address bar, Visme.co here. And as you see here, you can create beautiful infographics and reports and ebooks and all kinds of presentations, infographics, and stunning visuals. Now, like I said, stick around. I'm going to show you 3 or 4 places that you can market this particular creations that you create off this site. And also, I'm going to show you another tool, a bonus tool that you can use that'll even do it faster than this site right here. So, but as you can see, it's free to sign up here and get started. And you can see some of the different things here. You see some of the companies that use this site. PayPal, IBM, Penske, I mean to name a few here. And then it says Visme is the world's most versatile content creation tool, empowering individuals and leading brands to create and present compelling stories in the form of engaging presentations, infographics, documents, videos, graphics, and everything in between. And as you can see here, you can do presentations, infographics, like I said, printables, documents, social graphics, website graphics, videos, flyers, animated GIFs, flowcharts, timelines, graphs, and other charts and stuff. And it's got a little video presentation here showing you how to do it. And then you can create different beautiful graphics, interactive content, as you can see here. And it's made by designers for non-designers, and you can do it all right here on this particular platform. So let's just give it a shot here and sort of see what we can do. We'll just use ebooks as an example here. I mean, you can do all kinds of different things here. So if I click on documents here, and it should bring up here, and you can create all kinds of different documents and ebooks and things like that. And you can see here the versatile online document for your proposals, reports, white papers, and ebooks, and survey results, and any other type of documents that you want to create. And here's some examples of those right here, and so on and so forth, and it'll tell you a little bit more about how to do it here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you now. So let's just create right down here at the bottom. I'm going to click on create your document, and it is free to sign up on this site. It's going to ask us to log in. You can see right here that above my head you can sign up with a local account, and by the way, they will send you an email confirmation. So whether you sign up with your Google account here or your Facebook account or create a local, you're going to need to get your account confirmed by the email they send you. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account here. So if I click on that, it should sign us right in here. And then you can see it brings us to this page right here. And we can create everything from reports, plans, proposals, resumes, cover letters, white papers, and all kinds of things over here. If you scroll over, you can see it even more. It creates here surveys, lesson plans, ebooks, and so on and so forth. But we're going to click on ebooks for this little example here. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to work with this particular product here. Bring us down here, and it loads up these different templates of ebooks here. And there's all kinds of templates that you can use here. Now, some of them are free and some of them are premium. As you can see, these are all premium because they do have paid accounts on here too, but you don't need it to use what we're going to be using for here, and or how you want to use it. So we'll just create a take one of these templates here. You can even choose a blank template if you like. And but I'll just take for the example without, so I don't stretch this out so long with this, and I can just show you briefly how it works and what the back creation page looks like here. So we'll take this one right here. It's pretty plain, and I'll click on edit, and it should load it up right in the editor here. This takes just a moment here. There it is, and you can see that it brings our template up. And you can see that there's a lot of tools that you can use right here. You've got the pages over here on the right side above my head here, the current pages of this particular ebook, and it looks like there's about 7 different pages on this ebook. And you can also add as many pages as you want right here with the Add New Page button. And then over here on the left is you got headers and text, stats and figures, graphics and text, and you can just click on that and it drops down and shows you all kinds of available graphics that you could use. All of these you can change the color with, and so on and so forth, and then diagrams and different blocks that you can use. And then over here on the far left, right over here, you see where it's got different layouts you can choose: basics, graphics, photos, data, media. You can put videos in here as well, and different theme colors, and then it even saves your files on your account as well, so you can come back later and edit those too. Alright, so for example, showing you here, everything is draggable and droppable. This is just that easy. It's just drag and drop. If you want to edit any of those, you just double click in there and you can edit in and just type in whatever you want. I'm just using the same thing that was there, which these are all editable. Every image is editable here. Every one of these, everything on here that you see is editable, and everything on here. And if you wanted to add something else, like for example, if we wanted to add in a picture or a graphic here or something, we would simply just click on the graphics and text here, and we could just, for example, drag this right over here and set it right on here like that, and it creates us there. And you can edit that is what you like. You can create the different text, you can edit the different effects and so on and so forth, and you can add the if you right click on it, you can do different things with it too, and so on and so forth. And you can also double click in there and edit that stuff out and type in whatever you want in there, and so on and so forth. I mean, it's just that easy. Every single thing is editable in here, and it can be centered up, as you see, and you can change even the text colors and so on and so forth over here on the left. So it's just that easy, guys, to create an ebook, and you can edit each page that you want, and you can add in whatever you want on here. It just doesn't make any difference on each page, and then you can set it up and edit it just how you want it to be. You can drag it and drop it, make it even bigger. It's just that easy, guys, to create documents, and it's easy enough to center them up on the page. And you can do that with each and every page. Just click on it over here, and you can edit everything on every page, all the images and everything that you see, and add more to it. So you can see how easy it is to work with this particular website and this tool. This is all done right inside your browser for free, right? Now, there is a tool, if you didn't want to go through the trouble of doing this yourself, if you didn't really like to do this type of thing, there is a tool or bonus tool here that I'm going to show you of how you can do this a whole lot easier. And that tool is this tool right here. For example, if you're creating ebooks, this is just for the ebook example. If you're going to do infographics, or I mean any other kind of presentations or charts, you can also do it with this tool that I'm going to show you here as well. So the other tool that I'm talking about is called Scribble. This will make ebooks and reports and infographics all for you automatically. As you see, it's ebooks on demand, 50 hot templates, 300 style layouts, unlimited pages over here on the left. Sell it to the clients, easy to use, 15 different niche categories you can do it in, and it will, right here guys, it will write it automatically for you. Automatic content creator, and it creates great looking ebooks. If I scroll down here and take a look at some of these, you can see that the quality of these ebooks are very outstanding quality ebooks, and you can get this product here called Scribble. It's originally $67. You can get it. You see it here, it's 67, but if you look down here just to the left of me, you can see right now you can get it with $53 off coupon right here, and if you click on that you can get that 53 off. So what does that make it? Roughly $12 or $13 for this incredible product called Scribble that will just make your ebooks for you automatically, and you can also them too, just like you saw me do with the Visme editor too. You can also do that, or you can just let the automatic creator do it for you on Scribble. So there's two ways to do that, and you can either use Visme, which is a really cool site, for free, or you can get the Scribble ebook creator or report creator and do it a whole lot quicker than editing yourself here on Visme. Now, so let's say that you've got infographics and things, you've got this tool, you like it, and you want to use it, and which incidentally, by the way, I'll have the link for Scribble down there in the top of my description if you wanted to come over and take a look at this page right here and see what you think of it. But so let's come back here. Let's say we've got everything got, for example, an ebook created or an infographic or a presentation. Now how will we market it to make money? Well, one of my favorite ways to do that is you can come over here to Fiverr, and at Fiverr you see I've typed in ebooks here in Fiverr in their search engine, and it brought up this, and you can see all these gigs with people that are creating ebooks for other people and selling them. As you can see, there's quite a few of them here. There's like, they're selling them for 30, 50, 10, 470 here, $150 here, 20, 15. What you can do is you can come to Fiverr, sign up, click on Become a Seller up here, and create a gig offering custom-made ebooks to your clients. And another thing also on Fiverr, also you see here Pinterest pins that you can use the Visme site to create Pinterest pins, and you see that it right here you can create all kinds of, people are offering gigs on here to create Pinterest pins as well, and nice looking and so on and so forth. You can create a gig on Fiverr to sell Pinterest pins as well. That's two. You can have up to, I think it's 5 to 7 gigs created on Fiverr at any one time. You can create 5 to 7, I believe it's 7 total gigs that you can have all at the same time running on Fiverr. Makes more sense, doesn't it? The more gigs that you have, the more chances to make money on Fiverr that you can have. So you can do it with Pinterest pins. Also here you can do it with Instagram posts. You can set up a gig to do, that's 3 gigs right there. Well, you can think of the other 6 gigs that you want to do, or 5 gigs that you want to do, or 4, and create 7 gigs using the Visme site, or you can use the Scribble program to create different infographics and stuff as well. And you can see people are making pretty good money here selling Instagram posts and stuff to people as well. And then one other thing, if you wanted to do ebooks only with Visme or Scribble, doesn't matter, you can certainly come over here also to Amazon Kindle, right? And you can sell your ebooks that you create with either Scribble or the Visme site on Amazon Kindle, and you just want to sign in with your account. If you have an account on Amazon, you don't, just create an account. It's free to do that, and you can start selling Kindle books, ebooks on this site, which you can see people are right here, Kindle ebook deals. They're selling them for $1.99, 99 cents, $4, and $3.99 up here, and making lots of money selling Kindle ebooks or ebooks on Kindle on Amazon. Well guys, if you like this video and you got some value out of it, this is the video I had for you today, how you can make an unlimited amount of money doing infographics with this cool tool called Visme site here, and or you can use Scribble also as well, and create all of these and make lots of money for yourselves using Fiverr gigs and Amazon and any other ways. You can even use your own Instagram site to offer this service off of this site right here, visme.com, and to people that need these types of things done for them and make lots of money. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Also, if you have an idea for an affiliate marketing business and you want to get an affiliate marketing business set up and running, reach down there in the top of my description also and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out what I have available for you there with the #1 way that I make money online today. Check that out, and guys, I'll see you again here. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below and I'll get back with you, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye bye now.